Hi there! Welcome to the demo of the vFairs Self-Serve Event Management Platform. As you set up your event tech, you need to have control over every aspect. Suppose you want to make changes to the event website or create a whole new registration form without waiting for IT to do it for you. vFairs Event Tech Platform gives you this kind of autonomy. Let me show you how. Let's start with the dashboard, your central hub for all event management activities. Here, you will see how many attendees registered across all your events, upcoming and past events. You can also quickly spot the most successful events based on reports that help you replicate winning strategies. Now, let's get started and set up an event by adding details including event title and time zone, picking an event mode for an in-person, hybrid, or virtual events, adding different modules you want to see in your event, selecting a format, whether it's a conference, trade show, career fair, etc. Once you fill in all the fields, click on Continue and you can see a new event created and added to your event dashboard. It's that simple. The best part is that if you host multiple events throughout the year, you can simply clone the event you've created, make little tweaks like the title and date, and your brand new event will be all set. Once you've set up the initial event details, it's time to add further details of your event in the backend. Let's create the landing page. Click the top right button named Page Build Editor and follow each step to set up your landing page. You can use a customizable form where you can drag and drop elements to set up your entire branded landing page and take it live as soon as you're done. The landing page is responsive and can be viewed on any device. Set the theme colors, add a logo in the header, and then move on to the hero section. Here, add the event title, date, and time of the event, background image, and a CTA. Moving forward, you will add about event information to intrigue your audience to register for the event. For events like conferences, your agenda plays a key role. We support multiple layout designs. Simply name the agenda section and choose from the options you see in the list. Other than that, you can add sponsor logos with the Add Sponsors button to your landing page. We've also provided some common FAQs, but you can also add customized questions according to your event. Save the changes and your landing page is ready. Click on the Visit Event Site button at the top to view your brand new site page that is up and running. Now that we've set up the landing page, the next thing we want to do is to help drive registrations. For this, go to the Registration tab from the Event Backend and click Form Builder to create the registration form. You can capture registrations of all attendee types in the event. All you need to do is click the Add button and drag and drop the fields you wish to add. You can also edit the previously created registration forms and add, remove, and modify any information. These registration forms are highly customizable to fulfill the requirements of different events. You can also edit the fields. For example, if you add an image section, you can mention the file type in which you want your audience to upload a photo. Similarly, you can choose to make any field mandatory or optional. Now let's talk about capturing payments through the form. First, add the ticket control field in your form, save the registration form, and head back to the Registration tab. Click on Payment Methods to set up the payment module. Here, you will see the Add button to add a new payment method for the event, or you can edit and update the payment details in the previously selected payment option. We offer multiple payment integration options, including Stripe and PayPal, to provide easy payment options to all kinds of audiences. Select how you want to collect payments and then add the logo of that platform here to make it look more branded. You can also add pop-up messages here after a successful or failed payment attempt to inform the registrant. Suppose you want to create different ticket types for attendees and sponsors. Let's quickly see how we can add or edit them. The main fields you want to add here are the ticket title, a brief description, and the ticket type. You can then select the price for the ticket and set a ticket limit to see the available count of when these tickets would run out. Fill in the remaining fields and close the tab. After that, you just need to enable the status as active and it will be reflected on your registration page automatically. Now, you may want to give different discounts to different categories of registrants. How do we do that? Don't worry, our coupon manager has sorted this all out for you. You can create as many coupons as you want and send these out to respective attendees. These discounts could also be limited to a certain date or time or by quantity. Another important aspect of the registration process is referral codes. They play an important role in understanding your conversion rates from different sources, including social media, emails, and other platforms. Simply create different UTM links that you can track. Write the name and the source, and then the system automatically generates the link. Add the link to your promotional material. You can also get analytics on what worked best for you. Marketing is crucial for any event, so let's take a look at some ways you can use our platform to create marketing content. For this, go to the marketing module in the event backend and then click Email Campaign tab. Here you will see the email templates. Create as many as you want. We already have some built templates to make things easier for you right here under the Email Template tab. You can customize these built-in templates according to your requirements. So let's get started with creating one. When you're editing and creating an email campaign, you first need to name it. Next up, select the audience segment. After name an audience, fill in all the remaining fields, including a unique subject line for each email, and now your email template is ready to be sent on the spot, or you can schedule it for a later date or time. To build an email from scratch, follow a simple drag and drop mechanism. Here is an example email. At the top, you can have your branding with any kind of message you want to send to your readers. Add images or create them using AI. Add features like a Google Map link and add events to your calendar. If you find writing an email difficult or time-consuming, use our AI assistant instead. Select pre-event, during the event, or post-event email. Add keywords or prompt explaining what the email will cover and hit generate. Adjust it according to your needs. Besides emails, the AI assistant can generate content for anything, including a landing page, speaker bio, session summaries, social media content, and so much more. Next up, we have sessions. Here, you need to go into the session section where you manage the listings for sessions and speakers. Add session title and description. There are tons of options for broadcasting that session as well. Choose what matches yours. Is it live? Will it be available on demand? Is it a video or is it a stream session? And so on. Fill in the requirements you want, and you can set capacity, duration, and start and end date. You can also enable different kinds of sessions, such as Q&A or practice sessions. In advanced settings, you can add different handouts. You can also add a limited number of seats or add surveys, etc. If you also want to give recognition to your speakers, you can create a speaker's bio. Here you can add an image, first and last name, and link that speaker with a specific session. Now for your exhibitors and sponsors, our support team will help you out, but we can guide you through the process if you and your exhibitors want to set it up yourselves. A unique URL will be shared with each of your exhibitors. With the help of a step-by-step guided process, they can upload their information. Whether you want real-time stats or post-event reports, check the analytics module. Here, you get a high-level dashboard that shows you login, user activity, booth sessions, and chats across all of your attendees, booth reps, speakers, and admins. If you want detailed reports, you can go into the Event Analytics tab, select the report you need, and export them in CSV or PDF format. You can also track your user journeys in case you want to target specific individuals by looking at resources and areas within the event they were mainly engaged with. The final thing is the payment roll-up dashboard. This dashboard will tell you about your event's total sales. You can get an overview of sales from the time you opened up registration to the end of the event. You can see a daily report including day-to-day revenue with the user count, promo codes, or discounts utilization, and an overview status of every ticket purchased and the status of complete and incomplete orders with their attendee information. And there you have it, a self-serve backend that helps you manage all aspects of your in-person, hybrid, and virtual event with ease. I hope this demo is useful for you, and if you have any further questions, please reach out to us at sales@vfairs.com. Thank you so much for watching.